Good day for everyone. Unit Professions and the Ways of Communication. Topic Communicating around the world too. In this lesson, learners will be able to get acquainted with the different ways of communication. Also, will learn different kind of abbreviations while communicating with other people. Here we have four kind of ways of communicating. The first is send messages. The second, chat online. The third, send emails. And the last one is use a mobile phone. Send text messages. It means when you send to someone a message online. Chat online, when you use a web camera to talk to someone. Use a mobile phone when you call someone. And the last one is send emails. It means when you send to someone a letter. So can you answer me to these questions? How do you communicate with your family and friends? And which way of communication do you use more often? For example, when I communicate with my family, I mostly use mobile phone. I call to my parents. And when I communicate with my friends, I chat online because it is the best and the easiest way to communicate nowadays. So nowadays, sending text messages is the most common way. When we send text messages, we can use abbreviations when we chat online. Here we have some examples of abbreviations. For example, PLS, please, thanks, text, see you, or you can say see you later, greet, tomorrow, laugh out loud. When someone sends you something funny, you can say LOL or laugh out loud. OMG, oh my god. Cause, because. IDK, I don't know. Are you messaged? And the last one is later. So look at these examples and try to remember the words. Now let's do the first exercise. Read and match. We have to match the numbers with the letters. Now look at the first abbreviation. Could you find it? Yes, that's right. One is E, it means you. Now look at the second abbreviation. This is the easiest one. Very good. CU. Next one is MSG, it means message. Very good, you are right. Now look at the next abbreviation, PLS. That's right, it means please. Next abbreviation, it means, how do you think? What does it mean? Yes, you are right, it means later. The sixth abbreviation, it means, you are right, it means greet. The next abbreviation, excellent, it means thanks. Next abbreviation is very easy, it means text. Ninth abbreviation, yes, that's right, it means because. And the last one, LOL. Yes, this is F. Letter F, laugh out loud. Very good, excellent. Now let's check again. 1E, 2J, 3G, 4H, 5A, 6I, 7C, 8D, 9B, and the last 10 is F. Very good. Now let's do next exercise. Rewrite Mario and the Kurkiem's text messages. On the left, we have a text message when Mario and the Kurkiem use abbreviations. On the right, we have to write full version. Now look at Mario's message. How do you write the full version? Yes, that's right. Where are you? Now look at the Kurkiem's message. What is the full version? Yes, that's right. I am waiting for you at the park. And the last one, it is very easiest. Okay, see you. When you say goodbye to someone, you can use this abbreviation. Very good, excellent. Now let's go on. Now look at the next exercise. In this exercise, you have to complete with the words send, chat, and the use. Then you have to match with the pictures. So the first sentence is given. Send emails. Now look at the second sentence. What word can we use here? Yes, you are right. It means send text messages. Now look at the third sentence. What word can we use here? You are right. Use a mobile phone. And the last fourth sentence. That's right. Chat online. Now we have found all the words. Now look at the pictures. Let's find them from the picture. Send emails. What picture is it? Yes, you are right. It is picture A. Now look at the second sentence. Send text messages. It is picture. That's right. It is picture C. Now look at the third sentence. Use a mobile phone. You are right. It is picture B. Now look at the last sentence. Chat online. That's right. It is picture D. Very good. Excellent. You did it. Now look at the next exercise. Rewrite the text messages. Here we have two sentences where it uses the abbreviations. Now look at abbreviations and we have to find what word is it. Look at the first sentence and the first word. PLS, it means you are right. It means please. Now look at the second word. That's right. It means text. This letter means the word you. You are right. So, and the last word means thanks. Yes, you are right. You did it. Now look at the second sentence. Went to a, what word is it? Excellent. It means great. So talk to you. This is the word you. And now look at this abbreviation. You are right. It means later. Next abbreviation means the word because. You are right. I need your help. Talk to you later because I need your help. That's right. You are right. Very good. So what is your progress? What is your progress from this lesson? Now I can talk about ways of communication, or now I can use different kind of abbreviations. Here we have two kind of smiles, happy and sad. Choose one, please. Good luck.